What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are in full Ford takeover prep mode. Now, here's the deal. This video is going to launch on Friday, and when you're seeing it, I'll pretty much, Ford takeover will be starting off, well, the pre-meet on Friday night. But for right now, we're just getting things ready. So let's get going. Okay, so the current projects are, unfortunately, Corey's 4i is not going to make it. They were thrashing. It was so close. The only thing we were lacking to put everything together was headers. You can see the control packs in, the pedals in. I mean, it's so close. And then right here is his engine and his power glide. But again, the BBK headers didn't work, and we ordered a set of ultimate headers for it, and they're made to order, so it's not going to happen. So unfortunately, you won't get to see Corey drag the bumper in his Nitrous Coyote 4i this year, but next year for sure. Just playing on it, and there is that. Okay, guys, so the project today is we've got to get Lee's car on the ground. Basically what we did to my car last year, just kind of put everything together, even though we're not 100% ready to put it together. Because everybody's dying to see this car because it's a freaking monster. But so basically all we got to do is, you can see right here, the K-member is in, but we have no A-arms, we have no struts, we have nothing. And yes, I've been getting a lot of questions. Did we square the K-member? Yes, we did square the K-member, as you can clearly see. However, it's been done about 1 million times here on YouTube, so I didn't feel like we needed to beat a dead horse and do another squaring the K-member video. But before you chastise us any further, it is square. So let's get going, get this front end put together, get the blower put back on it, because the fuel lines, as I showed you in the last upload, are plumbed. So we've actually got fuel to the motor, and this thing's gonna be a monster. It's getting super close. So one side is complete, as you can see here. Got all the coilovers in there. These are all Maximum Motorsports. Coilovers are all in. Got the spiffy Cobra brakes on there. Massive vented 13-inch rotors, which reminds me I need to get a set for mine. Then you got the braided lines and stuff like that. Still got to do some of the custom work on the brake lines, which we're going to do like a whole segment on how to make those, because we got this wicked tool from Eastwood that basically lets you make any kind of brake line, fitting, flare, whatever you need, and it's pretty freaking awesome. But there you go, guys. One side is down. She's ready to sit on the ground. I don't know if I showed you this in the last upload, but he has also got 13-inch brakes in the back, and of course the calipers are yellow and match the fronts. But yeah, I mean, you can see 13 up front and 13 in the rear. This car is going to stop really well, and trust me, it's going to need to. But there you go, one side done. Now we've got to knock the other side out, and we can put this thing on the ground. All right, guys, so there you have it. You just got to see it. We have officially got both sides suspended. We do need to make the connections at the brake lines, so you know that's coming. But and also you can see right here the fuel lines are already in there, and then the two-step wiring is right up in there. It's into the car. So huge progress on this car. Just got to put the blower assembly back on, and of course connect this brake line over here, which again I'll show you that. And we've got to get the drag radials mounted on the rear wheels. We'll get those rear wheels on, but the goal is, if we don't have a steering rack, we're still missing quite a few things. We're going to try and make Ford Takeover. If not, you know, just stay tuned to the videos. You'll get to see it eventually. And but again, y'all, you're not going to want to miss this one. It's going to be awesome and a video favorite. So there you go, guys. Again, Ford Takeover. If you're watching this like right around 5, 6 o'clock on Friday night. You're missing the pre-meet, but it's not too late to be at Ford Takeover tomorrow morning, May 4th, Jackson, Tennessee. Jackson Dragway, be there. It's going to be freaking awesome. So we're going to get back to work, finish up Ford Takeover prep, and you make sure you're there. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And also, at some point, build your beast too. Later, guys.